Who's back with another skincare video, guys? Your girl Jen. Today's video is going to be on how to tighten your skin. There's a bit of, I don't want to say sagging, but there are some areas where I feel like it's a little bit, a little bit loose. I can't wait to show you guys this because it's one of my go-to skincare routines that I actually haven't talked about much on my channel. I do this once every, I want to say 2 weeks, so that my skin feels tight and it's refreshed and I feel like just, whew, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Also, if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos I post every Friday. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. If you want tight skin, using a foam cleanser really helps with this. I've always been a big fan of the simple Kind to Skin foaming cleanser. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals or artificial perfumes, which makes it great for sensitive skin. Now I'm going to pump this right onto a wet face cloth and start massaging and cleansing my skin with this. A great tip is a warm towel helps a ton with exfoliating and getting deep into the skin. Rinse and pat dry. Now it's time to steam. I'm using my iFlying face steamer. If you add just a bit of water to the steamer, all you have to do is rest your face on it and that's it. A great tip is that it's also great if you're sick with congestion or have a stuffy nose due to allergies. A steam helps loosen up all the mucus in your nasal passages, making it perfect for sick days. After 5 minutes of steaming, one of my best tips is to use a cold towel and apply this all over the face to really tighten the skin. Now onto moisturizer. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll know I purchased a ton of stuff from DCM. It's very affordable skincare that works. Here I'm using the moisturizer, which I purchased for $7.70, and the organic cold pressed Moroccan argan oil, which I bought for $6.80. So this is very cool and very affordable. I'm going to mix this into a hydrating cocktail and then apply all over my face. To make the appearance of tighter and brighter skin, I'm going to apply the Ole Henriksen C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. What I love about this is that it's super moisturizing and also helps create a lift in the eyes, especially if you have dark circles. I just pat this in all over the face for a beautiful glow. And last but not least, to help tighten the neck area, I'm going to apply the Juviance Contour Neck Sculpting Gel Concentrate. Our necks show signs of aging really fast, so it's important that you don't forget about this area. And now, we're done. As I get older, I know it's going to happen. Gravity is going to take in and everything will just start going down. And I want to keep everything going up. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips and tricks on how to tighten your skin at home. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And I'll see you guys all very soon in my next one. Bye!